No. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
A,
A.
B,
E.
C,
C.
D,
E.
E.
Yeah.
Is this one E?
Yeah. What happens?
Yeah, it's an elephant. Can you say E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
Caillou.
H?
A caillou.
Is this H?
X.
I?
I. A caillou.
That is Caillou, yes. It kind of looks like him. Okay, what's this letter? J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
L.
M,
M.
N,
N.
O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U, U,
U.
V,
B.
W,
W. Mommy.
X, Y,
Y.
Z.
Head.
Good job.